Hello everyone, welcome to the new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more future tutorials like these. First, go to Instagram. Then go to your profile. Now select the multiple photos post. Tap on three small dots. Then go to Edit. Now, from all the offered images, select the image you want to delete. I chose this one. Just tap on this little trash icon. And go to Delete Photo. Now as you can see, the picture we deleted is no more. Now confirm your changes, and that is it. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.